I've been using the Dremel Idea Builder for the past few months, and I wanted to see if the preset build settings in the Dremel software actually mattered. There's a high, medium, and low setting, each changing some of the variables during the print. My real goal was to find out how to make a high quality print quickly while using minimal amounts of filament. To get started, I loaded an STL file into the Dremel 3D software and scaled it down to 75% to save a little bit of time and materials for this test. The model I used can be found in the links in the description. I then hit build and chose the high setting and saved the file. I did this for the medium and low files as well. I wrote down the estimates and ran the prints. The first chart you see will show you the differences in time estimates versus the actual print times. As the builds use more material and the prints have higher resolutions, the estimates get a bit farther off of where they were. In all cases, the prints were longer than estimated. Speaking of resolution, here are the three prints. From left to right, you have the low, medium, and high preset prints. Looking over them, the low quality print clearly has less resolution than the medium and high quality prints. The printer struggled at the same points on the ears of all three models, and the differences between the high and medium prints are really difficult to see. I also decided to weigh all the prints to see if the material estimates were correct. To do this, I took a meter of filament and weighed it. I then compared the weight of the prints to the estimates to see which came out where. In each preset, the print used about 0.14 meters less than estimated. It's not a huge number, but it can add up to a great deal of filament savings over time. So after this little experiment, I decided that I'd be using the low settings for all my prints in the classroom. The prints we do are not structural or heavily used, and the resolution is not super important to what we're doing. If I can save filament while getting a quality product, I will certainly do so. The next step is to see what impact the fill percentage has on the print. Like, comment, or subscribe on this video to see more updates and experiments with the Dremel Idea Builder.